Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to create Upwork gig. But before we dive into creation process, let's first understand what an Upwork gig is. Unlike platforms like Fiverr where you create pre-packaged services, Upwork operates on a different model. Here, your gig is essentially a combination of your profile and proposals. Your profile serves as your digital resume, showcasing your skills, experience, and expertise. Your proposals are pitches to clients, tailored to specific job postings. Together, they form your gig on Upwork. So the first step to creating a successful gig on Upwork is setting up a stellar profile. Start by choosing a professional profile picture. Clients are more likely to trust and hire someone who has a clear and friendly photo. Next, craft a compelling headline that clearly states what you offer. For example, instead of writer, try professional content writer specializing in SEO and blog posts. Then move on to your profile summary. This is your chance to showcase your skills, experience, and what makes you unique. Remember to keep it client focused and explain how you can solve the problem and add value to their business. Now let's dive into the skills and experience section. Upwork allows you to list up to 10 skills, so make sure you choose those that best reflect your expertise and are relevant to the jobs you're targeting. Use the specific terms that clients might search for, like graphic design, SEO writing, or web development. For your work experience, list previous jobs that highlight your ability to deliver results, and if you're new to freelancing, you can include relevant academic projects or volunteer work. And don't forget to add any certifications that can help boost your credibility. Your portfolio is one of the most critical components of your Upwork gig. This is where potential clients will see your work quality, so include samples that showcase your best work and try to diversify them. For example, if you're a writer, include sample of blogs, articles, and social media posts. Once your profile is polished, it's time to start applying for the jobs by writing proposal. So, in order to do that, click on the Find Work button at the top left corner of your screen on Upwork's dashboard. Now, navigate to any job post that you like, or you can also go to the search bar and search for specific keywords and click on that keyword. Now, you will see all the jobs that will be posted on Upwork related to that keyword. Choose any job that you think is good, make sure the payment is verified, click on that job, and click on the Apply Now button after reading the job post. Now, you'll have to simply scroll down and add your hourly rate, scroll down and select how often do you want a rate increase. Now in the cover letter section, explain how you can solve the client's problem or meet their needs, referencing specific details from the job post. Always include relevant examples from your portfolio and if applicable, suggest a brief roadmap or approach to the project. Finally, end up with a strong call to action, encouraging the client to reach out for further discussion. Just write a good cover letter and that will be the best part of your gig. Now scroll down, click on Add a Job and choose relevant job where you have good portfolio, reviews, and click on Add a Portfolio. Now choose the portfolio projects that you have worked for, click on Select Highlight, click on Add to Highlights. Now scroll down and click on Send for connects, or you can also set a bid to boost your proposal. After you click on send, you would have successfully created an Upwork gig. So that's how you can create Upwork gig. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.